Hey guys, my name is V. So, you know about BTS? Maybe some people know about BTS and some not. So, if you watch this video, you will know about BTS definitely. So, firstly, I will tell you about the members and from where they belong. So, who are BTS? BTS is a group from South Korea and it stands for Bangtan Sonyeondan or Bangtan Boys or Bulletproof Boys Squad. So, who are BTS? BTS is a group from South Korea and it stands for Bangtan Sonyeondan or Bangtan Boys or Bulletproof Boys Squad. It consists of 7 members. The first is Kim Namjoon, the leader, and Kim Sok Jin, Min Yoo-gi, Jang Ho-seo, Park Jimin, Kim Taeyang, and Jeonjun. First person of the group is Kim Sok Jin. His stage name is Jin and his date of birth is December 4, 1992. He is the eldest member of the group. Second person of the group is Min Yoo-gi. His stage name is Suga and his date of birth is March 9, 1993. We also called him August D. And the third is Jang Ho-seo. We also call him Hobby and his stage name is J-Hope. His date of birth is Feb 18, 1994. The fourth person of the group is Kim Namjoon, the leader. His stage name is RM and his date of birth is September 12, 1994. We also called him Rap Monster and God of Destruction. The fifth member of the group is Park Jimin. His stage name is Jimin and his date of birth is October 13, 1995. We also called him Chim Chim and Chimney. And the sixth member is Kim Taeyang, my favorite member. His stage name is V, that is similar to my name, and his date of birth is December 13, 1995. We also called him Tae and Deva V. Last member of the group is Yeon Jungkook. His stage name is JK or Jungkook. His date of birth is 1st September 1997. That is a day before my birth date. My birthday is 2nd of September. We also called him Cookie and Golden Manny. BTS first debuted on 12 of June 2013 for their album Too Cool for School. और उस एल्बम का फर्स्ट सॉन्ग था No More Dreams, जो कि उन्होंने 13 ऑफ जून 2013 को स्टेज प्ले किया था और इसीलिए BTS की फर्स्ट एनिवर्सरी हम लोग 13 जून को मनाते हैं. टॉपिक वाई BTS फैंस आर कॉल्ड आर्मी. BTS फैंस को आर्मी क्यों कहते हैं? BTS फैन को आर्मी इसलिए कहते हैं क्योंकि आर्मी स्टैंड्स फॉर एडोरेबल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव MV फॉर यूथ, दैट इज़ आर्मी, ARMY. BTS ने अपने फैंस को आर्मी कहना डिसाइड किया था 9 जुलाई 2013 को कि वो अपने फैंस को आर्मी के नाम से रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. इसीलिए आर्मी का बर्थडे 9 जुलाई को हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. आई वॉज थिंकिंग व्हाट्स दैट, so don't worry, I will tell you what's that. This is the BTS logo, but BTS logo is like that. Guess what's that? That's the army logo. So when army and BTS logo combine together, it's formed like a shield. Shield means army and BTS both protect each other. Let me show you that. You can see it's like a shield, right? So this is the army logo. This is the army logo and this is the BTS logo. When they combine together, they form like a shield. Okay, you can see as well. I purple U. You are thinking what I purple U stands for. Look, I purple U stands for I love you. Okay, purple stands for love. Like this sign. This sign. You know this sign very well. Everyone is using that sign for their photo shoots, like. And this is like a heart. It's making like a heart. Sign is the I purple U sign. BTS members show their love towards their army by saying I purple you instead of I love you. That we say I love you, they say I purple you, and purple stands for love. That's why we all say I purple you BTS. Since BTS debuted their first song, there have been 7 years of BTS, and these 7 years are not very easy for them. There are a lot of struggle and lot of difficulties they face, and it's like a dream come true for them. And I just wish that BTS will on the top of the world and just come to India. I am waiting for history of BTS to 2013 to 2014. I'll make a video on that topic and I will post it after that video. So just watch that video. You can see their struggle. That's why they are on top right now. Because of their struggle, they reached the success. Some BTS members picture with their name on that picture, that so you can recognize them very well if you are a new ARMY. The first member of BT21 characters Tata is for Taeyang, second Cookie is for Jungkook, Shuki is for Suga, Mang is for J-Hope, Van is for ARMY, RJ is for Seokjin means Jin, Jimmy is for Jimin, and Koya is for Namjoon means RM. BT21's 8 characters were inspired by drawing created by the 7 BTS members, with one collaborating to each member, and the final one representing the band and its fandom ARMY, that is Van. Putting up is why was BT21 created. It was inspired by an interview with BTS about what kind of characters they wanted to create with a line. Like when we draw, we just put some lines on a paper in the shape of circle, in the shape of triangle, right? Understand that? If you don't worry. I will give you an example. Just thought. Okay. Tata is for Taeyang. Okay. Koya is for RM. तो टाटा के अंदर वो सारी क्वालिटीज़ प्रेजेंट हैं जो Taeyang के अंदर है, और कोया के अंदर वो सारी क्वालिटीज़ प्रेजेंट है जो RM के अंदर है. तो जो टाटा है वो Taeyang को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, बहुत अच्छी तरह से रिप्रेजेंट करता है. तो इसीलिए BT21 कैरेक्टर्स क्रिएट किए गए थे ताकि वो ईच एंड एवरी मेंबर को बहुत अच्छी तरह से रिप्रेजेंट कर सकें. BT21 characters were inspired by a comment from Suga, who thought that the BT21 characters should represent both the members and 21st century together, as well as they will live together with 100 years of the songs. Okay. तो BTS जो हैं वो एल्बम्स के अंदर अपने सॉन्ग्स बनाते हैं. लाइक जैसे कि एक एल्बम का नेम है टू कूल फॉर स्कूल, उसके अंदर नो मोर ड्रीम्स एंड ऑल songs are created. And the second, like Map of the Soul 7, Love Yourself, Wings, it's all the album's name. It's not the song's name, it's album's name. And albums के अंदर songs create होते. Just want to give you suggestion for listening some BTS songs if you are new ARMY. My favorite songs are Jump, DNA, Idol, and Stay Gold, Dynamite, which is released recently, 21st of August, and DNA, and No More Dreams is the best song of Fake Love, Boy With Love is very cool. Just listen their songs, and Dynamite is on 101 million views on YouTube recently. Just make it 1 billion to get BTS high.